Hey Allah. Hello everyone. This is a video for Ikea project. So the assignment was plan a 4 into 8 meter square living, sleeping, cooking and dining space for a single mother and university son. Bathroom facility is optional. The mother works in a service industry, enjoys reading, sewing and making handicraft. That looks like me. The son is an engineering student who lives in Pune, return homes every 2 weeks. He likes sports and collecting comic books. Now, liking towards sports could be two things. Either he likes to witness the sports or he's into sports. I assume that the place is Mumbai because culture and the demography of a place is also very important in designing. So let's get inside the house. Space is a huge constraint in designing. Living, dining, and kitchen is in the same s- room. The very first thing you see is a large TV set with low floor sitting arrangement. Better if the seats can be folded. Behind the sitting arrangement, we can see kitchen and dining space. Now the dining space is a non-traditional one. It has high chair sitting arrangement, much like a bar. Now the reason why this particular design is chosen because it uses vertical space and kind of create an invisible partition between low sitting living space and a high seating dining space. Also it can act as a bar for some get together. Everything you need in a kitchen is provided except for a gas stove because I wasn't sure to put gas stove or an induction, but there is enough space for it. There are racks on top of dining table to keep butter or pickle or jam. Like who doesn't like pickle? TV is very important in this house because son is into sports and no one like to miss football World Cup live. So now we will move on to the son's room. So entering son's room, we see a big wooden rack where he can keep his comic books, keep a lot of other stuff as keys, hand gloves, some sports equipment. Also, it doesn't block any view, leave the space ventilated and neat. On the right we have stairs made out of steel, which goes all the way to the bed, which is on top. Since the guy I assume is fit and healthy, climbing such stairs will only entertain him and keep him fit. He can stretch his legs, do some workout also in the steel stairs. The bed is on top, it's like a bunker bed. It utilizes vertical space and also leaves space for the study table. Now, an engineer myself, all assignment and surprise tests are always given on weekend. I'm sure no one likes to miss on that. So it is very important for this guy to have a study table to continue a good score in academics. It's a no comic, no sports, only study zone. The son could have enjoyed his weekend with friends, but he chooses to spend time with his mother. The bonding must be so strong. I have chosen two different rooms because in a family, to be healthy, privacy is also important. You respect individual space and privacy. This kind of bunker bed will be good for a privacy that a young engineer needs. Period. The closet is on the left of the room where he can hide all his messy clothes. The features of the bathroom is not very clear in this room. So let us go to the mother's room. Let's have a quick look at this room. On this corridor, we have space for putting paintings or family pictures. So the mother's room is the largest room in the house, as she deserves it. She has box beds so that there is extra space for storing. The brief says she is into handicraft. Creative person need a lot of floor space for doing creative activity. Here in this room, bathroom features can be clearly seen. The doors are non-traditional, mounted with full-size mirror. It gives the illusion that the room is bigger, and also double mirror add dimension to the room. On right we have a full-size closet. I have put a fashion mannequin as she loves sewing. Now the big closet on the left is actually her workstation. Look how it transforms. Enjoy natural light. The table can be used for iron board or any other activity she likes to do. Also, it will help her keep handicraft equipment in order. I would like to bring focus on one more feature, design of the closet. The partition between rooms is by the closet, not by 6-inch thick wall. So it saves a lot of space, which is very precious in this layout. Although I have tried to explain all major portion, there can be tons of improvement and addition of features. The list is endless. With this, I would like to end. Thank you.